Welcome to this in-depth look at the soluble microneedle patches delivery system, a cutting-edge technology revolutionizing drug delivery and patient care. Over the past decade, microneedle technology has emerged as a promising alternative to conventional injections, offering a minimally invasive, painless, and highly efficient method for delivering therapeutics directly through the skin. Unlike traditional hypodermic needles, soluble microneedle patches, also known as dissolving microneedles, are designed to penetrate the skin's outer barrier without causing significant discomfort or tissue damage. This innovative approach combines the precision of microfabrication with biocompatible, water-soluble polymers, allowing drugs to be released in a controlled and targeted manner. The core principle of soluble microneedle patches is elegantly simple, yet highly effective. Each patch contains an array of microscopic needles, typically ranging from a few hundred micrometers to just over a millimeter in length. These microneedles are loaded with the desired drug or vaccine, which can include small molecules, peptides, proteins, or even nucleic acids. When the patch is applied to the skin, the microneedles painlessly penetrate the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the skin, creating microchannels that allow the embedded therapeutic agents to diffuse into the underlying tissues. Within minutes to hours, the microneedles dissolve, leaving no sharp waste behind, which significantly enhances safety and convenience for both healthcare providers and patients. One of the most compelling advantages of soluble microneedle patches is their ability to improve patient compliance. Needle phobia, discomfort, and the need for trained medical personnel often hinder conventional injection-based therapies. Soluble microneedle patches address these challenges by offering a painless, self-administered solution, making it especially valuable for vaccination campaigns, chronic disease management, and home-based therapies. Moreover, the controlled dissolution of the microneedles ensures that the drug is released gradually, which can improve pharmacokinetics and reduce the frequency of dosing. This precision in delivery is critical for therapeutics that require consistent plasma levels or localized action in the dermal tissue. The versatility of soluble microneedle technology extends beyond mere drug delivery. Researchers are actively exploring its applications in vaccine administration, cosmetic treatments, and even gene therapy. For instance, vaccines delivered via microneedle patches can elicit strong immune responses with lower doses compared to intramuscular injections, offering a cost-effective and scalable solution for global immunization programs. In dermatology, microneedle patches are used for targeted delivery of anti-aging compounds, growth factors, and other bioactive molecules, enabling deep skin penetration without the need for invasive procedures. Emerging studies also demonstrate the potential of microneedle-mediated nucleic acid delivery, paving the way for future therapies in personalized medicine and regenerative treatments. From a manufacturing standpoint, soluble microneedle patches leverage advanced microfabrication techniques, including photolithography, molding, and 3D printing. These methods allow precise control over needle geometry, drug loading, and dissolution kinetics, ensuring consistent quality and performance. Biocompatible polymers such as hyaluronic acid, polyvinyl pyrrolidone, and carboxymethyl cellulose are commonly used, providing both mechanical strength for skin penetration and rapid solubility once inserted. The combination of material science, microengineering, and pharmacology results in a delivery system that is not only effective, but also scalable for commercial production. Looking ahead, the future of soluble microneedle patches is incredibly promising. With increasing demand for minimally invasive therapies and self-administration options, these patches are poised to play a major role in transforming patient care. Ongoing research focuses on expanding the range of deliverable therapeutics, enhancing stability under varied storage conditions, and integrating smart features such as feedback indicators for drug release. As these innovations continue, soluble microneedle patches may redefine the standards of drug delivery, making treatments safer, more convenient, and more accessible worldwide. In conclusion, the soluble microneedle patches delivery system represents a groundbreaking advancement in modern medicine. By combining painless administration, controlled drug release, and broad therapeutic versatility, this technology addresses many of the limitations of traditional injections. It empowers patients, supports healthcare systems, and opens new frontiers for personalized, efficient, and patient-friendly therapies. As research and development continue to evolve, soluble microneedle patches will undoubtedly become a cornerstone in the future of drug delivery.